Welcome back to Hammerdown Kennels. We are here in Southwest Virginia hunting in a local pine patch. Now we have two dogs hunting with us today, a young gyp and an older male. So yeah, this was a pretty good race. I enjoyed it, so stay tuned. Well, the rabbit didn't come our way, so me and my buddy were circling around to another road bed, hoping to get on this rabbit. So we're finally out of the cutover that me and my buddy were thinking the rabbit's going to cross right here. The dogs are probably 100 yards out or so of this road bed. But the time we make it up there and get ready, it's just done too late. The rabbit's done come through. So yeah, we've slipped down here to another road bed. The dogs went in to check, looking for the rabbit to the right of us. And yeah, but it turns out we're late again, and the rabbit's done to the left of us. Oh, and by the way, sorry for my awful videoing skills. My GoPro is on top of my bow. So yeah, I just had it a little angled down right here. Watching in there. That the dogs are running this rabbit really good right now.
Down here,
that I'm trying to get my buddy set up on this road bed right here to shoot the rabbit, but the rabbit is staying so far in front of these dogs that it's crazy.
Yeah,
it's staying a good 300 yards, so probably 3 minutes before the dogs even get to the place the rabbit's done gone through. And that made it very difficult to kill this rabbit. we make it to this
How'd you get
road
up
bed
here?
right here,
That rabbit's gonna
and
come.
we're like for sure this rabbit's gonna come through here. I mean, we're there probably 3 minutes, 2 minutes before the dogs come through. My buddy, he's got his gun up, he's ready to go, but the rabbits don't come through.
Give it time. You just be ready, because it's gonna come.
What?
Right here, it's gonna come. It's gonna come right across. Just be quiet so we don't turn it. They're coming. You missed it. Just come here. Just come right around the corner right here.
So basically, we find another road bed. We were thinking the rabbits were gonna come through, but we have no luck. Had no luck at the last road bed, so we're just kind of easing up here to a pond where we're thinking the rabbit may be. That we get up there, the dogs are just in a check looking for the rabbit.
Right back over to the other side. Just go on. Go to that gate and watch down through there.
Huh?
Go to that gate and watch down through there. Actually, no. Okay.
And that's pretty well it with the hunt that we eased over here one last time. Check and really see if we get another shot on the rabbit, but we couldn't. So yeah, thank you for tuning in to Hammer Down Kennels, and until next time.